Today, we gather to remember a remarkable individual whose work transformed the world of digital advertising and marketing in India. The passing of Atul Hegde has left a deep sense of loss among colleagues, entrepreneurs, friends, and countless professionals who admired his vision. His journey was never just about building companies. It was about believing that technology could completely change the way businesses communicate with people. Long before digital marketing became a mainstream industry, he recognized its potential. While many still relied on traditional advertising, he looked ahead and embraced the opportunities offered by the internet. That willingness to think differently became one of the defining characteristics of his career. Every successful leader begins somewhere, and his professional path was built through years of dedication, learning, and leadership. As he gained experience, he earned a reputation for understanding both creativity and business strategy. He believed that advertising was not simply about selling products. For him, it was about creating meaningful connections between brands and people. That philosophy guided every stage of his professional life. As the digital world expanded, he continued adapting instead of remaining comfortable with old methods. His confidence in technology inspired many around him. He encouraged businesses to embrace innovation at a time when many were uncertain about the future. His entrepreneurial spirit led him to establish organizations that would become respected names in the marketing industry. Those companies were more than workplaces. They became homes for talented professionals eager to learn and grow. Many young marketers received opportunities because someone believed in their potential. That someone was Atul Hegde. He understood that success is built by teams rather than individuals. People who worked alongside him often described him as approachable, encouraging, and focused on long-term growth. He celebrated achievements but never stopped planning for what came next. Innovation remained at the center of his thinking. Artificial intelligence, digital transformation, creator-driven content, and emerging technologies were areas that excited him. Instead of fearing change, he welcomed it. He believed every new challenge carried the possibility of creating something extraordinary. His leadership inspired confidence during uncertain times. Business partners appreciated his clarity of vision. Employees respected his guidance. Clients valued his commitment to delivering meaningful results. Entrepreneurs admired his courage. He also believed in supporting new ideas. Helping startups and mentoring founders became another important part of his legacy. Many innovators found encouragement through his advice and experience. His influence reached far beyond boardrooms. It extended into classrooms, conferences, startup communities, and professional networks. Wherever conversations about digital marketing took place, his contributions were recognized. One of the most inspiring aspects of his career was his belief that Indian companies could compete on the global stage. He encouraged businesses to dream bigger. He proved that ambition combined with discipline could produce extraordinary outcomes. Even during the final chapter of his life, he remained focused on the future. He continued discussing new technologies, expansion plans, and opportunities for growth. That determination reflected his passion for building rather than standing still. His optimism inspired everyone around him. He reminded people that success is not the end of the journey. There is always another milestone waiting ahead. His life demonstrated the importance of resilience. Every entrepreneur faces challenges. Every business experiences setbacks. Yet true leaders continue moving forward with confidence and purpose. He showed that vision requires patience. Great achievements are rarely created overnight. They emerge through years of persistence, teamwork, and continuous learning. His passing has created a void that will be difficult to fill. However, his ideas continue living through the organizations he built. His influence remains visible in the professionals he mentored. His legacy continues through the innovations he encouraged. His story reminds us that leadership is measured not only by financial success but by the positive impact left on others. The greatest achievements are often reflected in the lives we inspire. Today, colleagues, friends, and admirers remember a man who believed in progress. They remember someone who encouraged creativity. They remember someone who embraced technology with confidence. They remember someone who valued people above everything else. Although he is no longer with us, the lessons he shared continue to inspire future generations. His contributions helped shape an industry that continues evolving every day. His dedication will not be forgotten. His vision will continue guiding many professionals. His determination will remain an example for aspiring entrepreneurs. As we remember Atul Hegde, we also celebrate a life filled with innovation, leadership, courage, and generosity. May his family find strength during this difficult time. May his friends cherish the memories they shared with him. May his colleagues continue building upon the foundation he helped create. and may his remarkable journey inspire countless people to dream bigger, work harder, lead with integrity, and embrace the future with hope. May he rest in peace, and may his legacy continue to shine for many years to come.